In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a project in Zoho Project. We'll walk through a simple process so that whenever you need to open or revisit a project, you know exactly where to click and what to look for. This is especially helpful if you're new to Zoho Project or if you're switching over from another tool and still getting used to the layout. First, make sure you're already signed into your Zoho Project account and that you have permission to view the project you're trying to access. If you don't have the right access, you may not see the project listed, so it's always good to confirm your role or ask your administrator if something seems to be missing. Once you're logged in, start on the main Zoho Project interface. Look towards the top navigation bar or the main menu area and find the option labeled Projects. This is your central hub for everything related to your projects. Go ahead and click on Projects. When you click Projects, Zoho will take you to a page that lists all the projects you can see in your portal. This might be displayed in a grid or a list view, depending on your settings. You may see active projects, archived projects, or projects grouped by status. If you're working with many different teams, there might be quite a few here, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with how this list is organized. From this projects page, look for the specific project you want to open. You can scroll through the list, or if available, use the search bar or filters to narrow things down by project name, status, or owner. This can save you a lot of time if your organization handles multiple projects at once. Once you've located the correct project in the list, find the option that allows you to access it. In this case, you'll see a control or button labeled Access Project. Click on Access Project for the project you want to work on. After you click that, Zoho will open the project workspace. Here you'll be able to see the project's tasks, milestones, discussions, and any custom views set up for your team. At this point, you're fully inside the project and can begin managing tasks, checking progress, or reviewing details depending on your permissions. And that's all you need to do. Click on Projects, then click on Access Project for the one you want,